Welcome back, everyone. On the previous video, I finished the spar for the mainsail, and now I'm gonna start working on the sails, and I'm gonna use tea to stain them a bit, and then I'm gonna do the weathering process and all that. I start with boiling water, and I add a few packs of tea on it. Then I dip all the sails and I leave it, I don't know how much time, but until the tea is cold enough for me to put the hands on it without any issue. Once the tea has cooled down, I remove the sails, I squeeze the excess tea out of them, and I spread them to let them dry a bit. I don't let them dry completely before the next step. I use the pigments while it's still a bit humid. It works better that way. And when I don't do all of them at once, and they actually fully dry, I will dip them in tea, cold one, doesn't need to be hot one again, and to have them humid to use the pigments. Using a brush, I apply pigment along the seams and around the edges on both sides of the sail. I'm using natural umber pigment. I believe it's what works best. At this point, I use sandpaper and I sand the fabric between the seams. This creates different shades because where you sand it becomes lighter, creates a bit more variation of texture. On places where I push it a bit, it will create holes, helping the effect, and it ends up helping to blend the edges of the pigment that I've just used. So that's why I use this technique. When the final look is achieved, I use spare pieces of wood to create a frame to hold the sail, and this will allow me to give it its final shape. The frame is done, it's lifted using the pigment bottles. I have the shape that I want, so now I apply diluted PVA glue all over the sail, making sure it's a good amount, especially on bigger sails. If it's not enough glue, they will tend to have weak points. So this needs to have a good shape, focusing on the bottom edge, needs to be well embedded with glue, and let it dry. When the glue is dry, I remove it from the frame and I attach it to the spar that was done on the previous videos. With the sail attached to the mast, to the spar actually, the final element that is needed is to add blocks to the bottom corners. I glue them to secure them in place, then I use a bit of line and a needle to secure them better with a knot around them. This is where I will end today's video. The sail is attached to the spar, everything is done, just needs to be put on the ship. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing.